Who was the sculptor of Bacchus, Sleeping Cupid, Madonna of the Stairs, and David? Donatello. Leonardo da Vinci. Giotto. Michelangelo. Machiavelli is the author of Il Principe, which describes the means by which a prince may gain and maintain his power. Who is credited for discovering the antibacterial medicine penicillin? In 1946, J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly created the first large general-purpose electronic computer. It was given the name.
The study of life and living organisms is called. Question 1 options. 1. Cardiology. 2. Cartography. 3. Biology. 4. Dermatology. What is the next word in this phrase from Abraham Lincoln's famous Gettysburg Address, for score and 7 years underscore 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 underscore? Later. Before. Ago. Beyond.